Nice. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the Galaxy Z Fold has been a ultimate complete device. You can do work, you can do play, you can do everything in between. And I am convinced that this is probably one of my favorite phones ever of all times. Now, I had the original Galaxy Z Fold, and that phone was the win all be all. And having the Galaxy Fold 2, Z Fold 2, this device has been so good, using it as my daily driver. And this is a device that I just can't even put down anymore. And using this phone pretty much every day, day in and day out for all my tasks from business, work, and play. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is probably the best phone to me on the planet. Let me explain. Let me tell you why this phone is the best phone for me and the best phone overall that you can buy in 2020. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold 2 since it came out, and this is a complete device for me, and it's worth every penny. And I'm gonna tell you why. There's three phases to this device that I like, that works very well for me. Now, in 2019, Samsung came out with the original Z Fold, and I did not pick up that device. It was recalled, it had issues, but it was re-released in 2019, and I picked the device up in 2020, and it brought a different element to me. It was really good. I was shocked and surprised on how good the original Galaxy Fold is to me, right? So when I picked up the Galaxy Z Fold 2, it brings in a complete dynamic to my workflow and to what I like. So there's three phases to this device that makes it a complete phone for me. It's work, it's play, and also the cameras. Now, let's talk about work. My workflow is this. I own a business. That means that I have to do PDFs. I need to do Excel spreadsheets. I need to do Word documents. I need to do PowerPoints for my vendors. And this device complete all of that. Decks, wireless decks. I connected the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to it. That right there completes a lot of my work ethics that I do not have to bring a laptop with me. Now, when I need to run exe programs, I can connect my device to a cloud server, and I can get a lot of work done. So I don't have no issues as far as getting work done. Also, let's talk about signing PDFs. I've converted this device into a Galaxy Note. And one of the things that I know a lot of y'all guys say it doesn't beat the Galaxy Note, but I already made a video about my workflow and about how I converted this device to a Galaxy Note. So I have basically all the Galaxy Note features here on this device. I'm running a pen. I made a video about this pen already. So here, this makes this device a complete device. Now I can sign my PDFs. I can write down all my notes using the front display, not the inner display, but the front display. One of the things that I like that Samsung did was give us a bigger display on the front. So now I'm at the point where, yes, I can use the front display to document and to get work done. And I'm gonna tell you, it works great. So now if I need to get some work done, if I need to sign some stuff, if I need to write a lot of notes down, I can do that. Pair it up with this combination right here. Now, I know a lot of y'all guys might say, well, easy, you just can't stick a pen in there. Look, man, I talk about this a lot on my YouTube channel. I was never an advocate of the S Pen. S Pen, to me, I always say that the Samsung need to bring a premium pen. The S Pen is a good tool, even though you can put it in the silo and you can keep it with you. But listen, man, let's not kid ourselves here. If I'm at work, if I'm doing business, I'm gonna have a pen. So this pen gonna be with me in my bag. So let's not kid ourselves. I am a business owner. That means that when I do business work, I will always have a pen with me. And so why not have a pen like this? So let's not kid ourselves here. If you're a business owner, you understand what I'm talking about here. So when I run my business and I have vendors and all kinds of things in between, I have to write down a lot of stuff. I have to take a lot of notes. So by me taking a lot of notes, I need a pen. And look, using this pen, it works great. So let's talk about play, right? Again, this device has been a complete device for me. It's so powerful. Any game in the App Store you can play, right? But not only that, but Samsung have partnered up with Microsoft to bring Xbox Pass. And that right there, I could play all my Xbox games on this device. And it's been a game changer to me. You can run 1080p at 60 frames per second, 1080p 60 frames per second using the cloud server, running games on your device, which is absolutely amazing. So pair it up with a Xbox controller. Now I can play full-fledged games here with this device. Look, playing Xbox games or playing games on the device, to me, it's the best of the best. Not only that, but you get a very good experience. Pair it up with the A65 Plus processor with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage. You got a huge display in the front, a big giant display when you open it up. It works very well. So look at this. Look how big this game is showing on this device. And it works very well. So once you look at playing games here with this device, look at that. Just beautiful graphics and everything works great. And look, I mean, if you want to play good games, good high-end games, here it is, right? And I like fighting games, I like car games, I like all kinds of games. So if you want to play, you absolutely can play with this device. Okay, so let's talk about it. The cameras on here. This phone got 5 cameras. Not only that, but they good too. The good thing about this phone is that you have a wide angle lens, a regular lens, telephoto lens, and you have a front camera. And then when you close it up, you have another camera. So you have so many cameras here on this device that it's a content creator's paradise at this point. Not only that, but you have Pro mode on here. Pro mode, to me, which you can adjust all your settings and everything in between, I think it's a very good tool if you want to make all your adjustments accordingly. So let me show you some clips of me using this device against another phone, right? And let y'all guys see how good the cameras are with this device. So check this out.
The Chosen.
So as you can see, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has very good cameras. To me, one of the top cameras of 2020 right now is this device. But the good thing about it is it makes it a complete phone. If you need to take photos, boom, pull out your Galaxy Z Fold 2. If you need to take videos, pull out your Galaxy Z Fold 2. If you need to do Word documents, pull out your Galaxy Z Fold 2. If you need to write and do PDFs, pull out your Galaxy Z Fold 2. You know, if you need to use it as a phone to make phone calls, pull out your Galaxy Z Fold 2. This phone to me is a complete device. Okay, so in this video, I just talk about all the good stuff that I like about this phone. Work, play, cameras. I can connect to a remote server. I can get a lot of work done. I can get a lot of business work done. I can play Xbox Pass. I can use my pen to sign PDFs. I got a big display. I can play games internally on the device. It got top tier specs. Everything I talk about was positive about this device. Well, easy. Got to have some opportunities, right? Some negatives about this phone. Yes, I mean, they actually do. To me, let's talk about battery life. Battery life has been good, but I use this phone hard. I use it all day, right? So by me using this device really hard all day, I can't get through the day with battery life with this phone, right? So yes, I do have to top off, after about 5 or 6 hours of screen on time, I do have to top off. So early in the morning, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, once I'm using this device, about time I get to about 1, 2, 3 o'clock, I'm at about 10, 15%, man. I got to top off. Battery life is good. It could be better. All right, another kind with this phone is no SD card support. Listen, man, this phone does have 256 gigs of storage, and I only use about 40 gigs, but not having SD card support on a Samsung device, some people might complain about that. And look, they should have had SD card support on there. And, maybe the next version will have SD card support. And that is a kind, because when you pick up a phone that costs $2,000, you want to have SD card support, especially when you limit it to 256 gigs of storage. What if you go beyond 256 gigs of storage? Because this device is not just a one-year device. You want to have this phone for a long period of time. So if you're going to have this phone for a long period of time, 256 gigs to some people is a no-go. So the last kind about the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is the price. Listen, man, this phone cost $2,000. In 2020, I don't care about this. You got to pay to play and stuff like that. And look, to me, what I can do with this phone, to me, it's worth every penny. Replacing the laptop, replacing the tablet, wireless decks, getting it out of work done. I make money with this phone. So for me, it's worth every penny because I eliminate a lot of riffraff and use one device to get it all done. But I got to ding it as a kind. It is a kind, by the way. $2,000. That means that the next year bottle will probably be over $2,000. That means what is enough is enough when it comes down to these high price points. So that is a kind. That's my last kind. Other than that, I don't know, baby. The Samsung got a winner here. And that's what I'm talking about. I'm the tech preacher. I'm going to give it to you straight. And I love this phone, man. Look, I'm a true techie. True techies understand tech, and we let the tech do the talking. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite phone? What phone that you like? If you don't like the Galaxy Z Fold 2, what device that you like? Let me know down in the comments below. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to get put these devices all out there and go from there. Boom. This is Eric, the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 2 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.